Wow, Wally here, guys. So I was running the 365 yesterday, and I was having a little bit of an issue of it running off, of it cutting off to the side, right? So I'm just going to run through a couple of checks as far as I can remember what to do, because it hasn't happened to me in a long time. First thing I'm going to check, guys, is I'm going to check my bar, and I tell you why. I tell you what we'll do first. Stay tuned. So the thing is, right, it was running off to the side, and I'm unsure why. It could be the chain, right? This chain is old. It is almost on a lot of it's on the line. So I was half thinking it was that, but I gotta check this bar anyway. Might as well give her a wee bit of a clean. So look. So this is an Oregon chain, guys, and I've been running this chain a lot over the last 2 years. This is actually a full chisel chain, and what happened is Oregon sent me 2 chains. They sent me a full chisel and they sent me a semi chisel chain, and I literally have ran nothing but the full chisel chain since I got it. So the bar looks okay. Hey Bruno. The bar feels fine. It doesn't feel like there's any. It's flat. It's flat. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sharpen up the semi chisel chain. Now this is my question to you. If you sharpen a semi chisel chain, do you just turn it into a full chisel chain? This I don't think has ever been sharpened since I got it. Let's bring you in. Ignore my Las Plagas. Okay, now guys, sharpening is one of these things that you get massively criticized for online, and you know what, this is my take on it. Do what you do. If it works for you, it works for you. Now, okay. So I actually have two depth gauges, and I'm not really sure how to work either of them, to tell you the truth. That feels about right, but look, I think that's the way it goes, isn't it? Now you're wondering why the chain's not pulling properly, guys. Well, it's because the bar's not actually attached to the saw, it's just sitting in the vise. That's it. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Now, what I'm probably going to do, guys, if I'm probably going to bring the 20 sharpen up the 24-inch bar and take it with me as well, just as a backup. I did have the 435 yesterday, which is working fine, so which is always good, but you know, it's good to have a backup. Right, dress your bars. Don't forget about them, guys. It's important. I sort of forgot that lesson that I learned the hard way before. So, yes, that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay frosty. Guys, I'm down here. I'm going to give the 365. I'm just going to test it with this new chain on it. See how it runs. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. I was talking to a friend of mine who said that if you have, when your teeth are very near the end, right? So when you have very little tooth left on your chain, if they're not exactly, if one has a little bit more on one side than it does on the other, there's more chance of it pulling off to one side. Okay. That was 100%. That just ripped through all that there, like a million times better than yesterday. Happy days.